Today, two of the major challenges facing governments and large enterprises are how they can successfully bring together information from diverse sources and personalize the material for those receiving it so the information is relevant to them. And like other organizations, governments must easily serve information in multiple formats, including print, on the web, and on mobile devices. The solution to successfully managing and publishing personalized information in multiple ways is dynamic publishing. Through its eCabinet initiative, the Irish government provides an example of how they implemented a dynamic publishing solution based on XML. Working with Quark and its XML technology, the Irish government vastly improved the process that informs decision-making, introducing an unprecedented level of efficiency that brings together thousands of civil servants across the government.
The structure of government in Ireland consists of 15 government departments, each headed by a minister, in our case the Prime Minister. There are something over 30,000 officials in the Irish civil service spread across these 15 organisations and some offices. The purpose of eCabinet was to eliminate the amount of paper that was required in bringing together memoranda for the government, and also to introduce a system that provided dynamic and collaborative working.
There were a couple of reasons really for the success of the project. Number one would be XML and the use of it within the application. It's a very, very powerful tool, and what XML has allowed us to do is to repurpose the information that we got into the system and present it whatever way we need to different users. So different users have different requirements, and that's where the beauty of XML Author came in, because what we had there was, it looked like MS Word to users, which is familiar. Every department had it, people were familiar with it, and we weren't exposing the raw XML to the users.
The old system was paper-based, so there was a lot less flexibility with it. There was particular deadlines that had to be met with the paper-based system, because you would have to get papers disseminated by dispatch rider prior to a government meeting at a particular time. So if somebody wanted to submit a memorandum and they missed those key deadlines, whereas the eCabinet system allows, transmission of papers up to the evening and indeed the morning of a government meeting, so that ministers and relevant officials can see the papers and provide appropriate advice to their minister to bring to the government table. Well, the huge benefit is the saving of time. With the eCabinet process, once the memoranda is transmitted into the government secretariat, all government ministers have access to that paper. The same way, once the decision is disseminated, departments can see what government has decided.
So you have 6,500 officials working collaboratively, one government meeting every week, 20, 30, sometimes 60 items, all done electronically, fast and efficiently, and in a way that serves matters up to the government in clear, simple terms. What decision are you being asked to take? When the decision is taken, the result can be disseminated fast to all the officials who need to know it.
In this way, what we're actually doing is giving people the true benefit of dynamic publishing. It's XML, and it can be rendered in any format they want almost immediately.
In a nutshell, eCabinet enables the preparation of meetings and material for meetings, the running of meetings of the government, and the issuing of government decisions afterwards. It enables those three things to be done securely, collaboratively, and efficiently among 6,000 officials in 15 government departments